Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to create a tree from an in-order and post-order sequence of a specific tree. Here, a sequence of a tree has been given in the in-order and the post-order sequence. We have to create a tree using both sequence. Here, before going to create a tree, here we are trying to explain the sequence which is followed by in order and the post order. In case of in order, that sequence always take first like a left subtree, then root, and then right subtree, then right subtree. And the post order, if I'm looking there, so in that case that is left subtree, then right subtree, and then root. So both are the following sequence in this way. So this sequence is somewhere in the sequence of in that way. So if you will see the sequence here, you can get exactly the last element is as a root in a post order. So in the post order sequence, I'll try to get what exactly the root is there. So root is always in the post order, that is in the last. And the if you will see the in order, so in that case, root is going to split the sequence in the two part. So the left part is the left subtree and the right part is the right subtree. So our first target is just to get the root, and that will be definitely the last element, and then we will try to find out the position of that root in the in order traversal just to split the sequence in the two parts. So see the thing here, this A, I'm taking this A as a root because it is in the post order. So root is there. Now I'll try to find out the position of this A in the in order just to split the sequence in the two parts. So here it is splitting. So in the two part, so I'll write that two part, that left subtree and the right subtree. So the left part will have H D I B J E K, and the right part will have the things like a in that way F C G L, and correspondingly that will also split it here. In this way I am splitting this thing here, it has been already taken. So now this is the subsequence and this one is the another subsequence that is in the post order, and this one is the subsequence which is in the in order correspondingly. Now I have to follow the same thing again in the subsequence, the post order subsequence and in the in order subsequence repeatedly, just to get the tree, or for each node there is a single element till I'll do the things here. So many elements are there, so I'll further split in the same order. So here I'll check the post order once again. This sequence is over here, it is splitted over here in this. So in this sequence B, that is the root. So once again I'll take this B as a root, and in this in order sequence I'll try to find out the position. So entire thing is this part is the left and this part is right. So I'll split here. So this will take the in that way. So this is B, and after B that is splitting, so I'm writing the sequence over here. So that will go for the H D I, and this sequence will go for the J J E K. So H D I and J K E, that is the sequence over there. Now once again I'll try to split further for this subsequence H D I and H I D. Here once again in this sequence D is the root because it is in the last of post order. So I'll take D as a root. So I'm taking D, and once again I'll try to find out what exactly the position of D. So in this subsequence you can see H is in the left, so H will be there, and the I in the right side, so I will be there. Similarly I'll follow for this JEK sequence. So this is your in order sequence, and this one is your post order sequence. So I'll search what exactly in the last. E is in the last, so E will be root. So I'll write E as a root over here. So E is a root, and then I'll try to find out the position of E. E is in the mid, so what exactly the left part, that is J, and the right part, that is K. Now for each node there is a single element, so there is no further explanation. For the right hand side of the A, once again the sequence is here. Just check the sequence is F L G C, that is your post order, and the in order sequence is F C G L. So I'll simply try to get the last element. Here in this subsequence, last element is C, so C will be definitely root. So here I am taking C as a root. So if it is the root, I'll try to find out the position on this sequence. So this is the sequence. So F will be in the left side. So F is here, and the right side is once again GL. So it will be split in the two part. One is the this uh, C is, so one part is this F and the another part is LG. In the two part it has been splitted corresponding to C. So now once again for this GL, I have to check what exactly in this subsequence. In this subsequence, we will follow the things repeatedly till not getting the single element for each node. So here the sequence is LG in the post order, that is LG, and the in order GL. So what exactly G is? So in this subsequence, G will be the root. So G, that is there, and now I'll try to find out the position of that G in the in order. So in this GL, G is here. So in this subsequence, in the left hand side of the G there is nothing, but in the right hand side there is one element, that is L. So I'll put that thing in the right hand side of the tree, and that is the resultant tree of a given sequence. That's all for this video. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching it. Kindly subscribe and like the channel to get latest videos and updates. Few more channels are also there in the last to get latest updates in new dimensions and domains. Kindly subscribe and like them as well.